My name's Anthony Perry from Perry Plumbing and Heating Limited, based in Sutton, Coldfield in the West Midlands, a Baxi approved installer, and we're here today in Solihull fitting a Baxi 800. First impressions of the 800, really good looking boiler. Nice, cute, small, compact, fits into any location. Really easy to fit and to install. Nice and light. And when I started her up today for the first time after the commissioning, how quiet she was. You couldn't hear anything from it at all. So really good, top notch for Baxi to quieten the boiler completely down. 10-year warranty is amazing. They know for the next 10 years, 365 days a year, the parts and labour, that is a full parts and labour warranty. Adey filters, I think, personally myself, they are the best brand of filters out there, the range. I've been fitting them for probably, it's got to be 10 to 12 years now, I've been fitting Adey filters. With Baxi joining forces with Adey, and especially using the Micro2, what a durable filter, because it's so small, compact, you can put it anywhere you like. So with that filter coming in the box, it's something else extra not to buy for the merchant. You might get to the job with the boiler and go, oh, I forgot the filter. No, because it's in the box with Baxi, and they're using one of the best brands out on the market. It's been proven, won the Queen's Awards, which Adey have. You can't go wrong. So not only have you got a 10-year warranty boiler, you've got a filter that doesn't go wrong either. To all the other installers in the UK that don't fit Baxi, or maybe fit the odd one now and again, you don't need to look anywhere else than the actual brand Baxi. The 800, that boiler has got everything in the box. It's lightweight, it's easy, it's got a MagnaClean filter in the box. You just put it on the wall, connect all your pipe work up and commission, and that's it, it's handed over. Stainless steel heat exchanger, easy using controls, easy display. Label always comes on to show the end user how to use the pressure gauge. Of course, Baxi's new pressure gauge is the one trigger pull system. So of course the pressure goes up, very simple, not turning all these knobs. You don't need to be looking anywhere else apart from the Baxi 800. It's 10 years parts and labour warranty. That's peace of mind for the installer and for the end user.